Hi everyone, I am Subhadeep. So today in this video I will explain this question, and this question was asked in 2024 JEE Main on 1st Feb shift 1, and this question is about continuity and differentiability. So the function is given, and it is given that this function is continuous everywhere in R, and m is the number of points where f is not differentiable. Then we have to find m plus a plus b plus c. Right, so this function is when a function is continuous at a, so fx is continuous at some point a, then what will happen, limit x tends to a plus fx equals to limit x tends to a minus fx equals to f of a. Right, now for this function it is given that it is continuous everywhere. We just look at these points 0 and 1 because the function value changing at these 2 points 0 and 1, right? So we have to check this 2 point, then we will get a b c, right? So at since f is continuous at every point in R, so at 0 the function is continuous, right? So at 0 what will happen, limit x tends to 0 plus fx equals to limit x tends to 0 minus fx. So this will implies that since the function value greater than 0 and if at 0 is same this, so if this condition satisfied, then at 0 the function is continuous, right? So limit x tends to 0 plus fx, that means 0 plus at 0 plus which function will be considered, this function. So x square plus cx plus 2 equals to limit x tends to 0 minus fx means for x less than 0 we have to consider the first function a minus b cos 2x divided by x square. So this is implies that if we put 0 here, so what we get, 2 equals to limit x tends to 0 minus a minus b cos 2x divided by x square. Now this limit, if we put 0, what we get, a minus b, and here is 0. So if this limit exists, then a minus b should be 0 because then it will be form of 0 by 0, right? So a minus b is 0, that means a equals to b. So if since it is 0 by 0 form, we can use L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule, right? So what is the L'Hopital rule? So it will be limit x tends to 0 minus with derivative numerator and denominator. So minus b into 2 sine 2x, and this will be plus because derivative of cos is sine minus sine, so divided by 2x. So these 2 will be cancelled. Then b limit x tends to 0 minus sine 2x divided by 2x, and if we take 2 here, then this limit is 1 because sine 2x, 2x tends to 0 minus means 2x also tends to 0 minus, so this will be 2b, right, since this limit is 1. Now this is equals to 2, so what is our b is our 1, and this from here b is a, so a is also 1. So we get a and b. Now we have to find c. So again the function fx is continuous at 1 also. So limit x tends to 1 minus fx equals to limit x tends to 1 plus fx equals to f of 1, but f of 1 value will be get give by this also, so we don't have to check. So if we this condition satisfied, then it is continuous at 1. So this is implies that limit x tends to 1 minus fx means, so for 1 minus this function will be considered x square plus cx plus 2, so x square plus cx plus 2 equals to limit x tends to 1 plus fx means 2x plus 2, so 2x plus 1, sorry, this is 2x plus 1. So this is implies that, so our limit x tends to 1 minus So if we put 1, what we get? 1 plus c plus 2 equals to 3. So 3, 2, 3. So the c will be 0. So also c will be 0. So we get a, b, c. Now we have to find b. Now we have to find m. So m is what? M is number of not differentiable point. So for that case, we also have to check if the at the point 0 the function is differentiable or not, and at the point 1 the function is differentiable or not. Now let us remind what is differentiability definition. So function fx is differentiable at some point a when L f dash a equals to r f dash a, right? And what is L f dash a? This is nothing but limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus f a divided by minus h equals to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. So at 2 points we have to check, at 0 and also at 1. So at 0, so at 0 L f dash 0 will be what? Limit 0 h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h, that means minus h minus f of 0 divided by minus h. Now what is f of minus h? F of minus h means h less than 0, right? So f of minus h will be considered this for this value. So a minus b cos 2h, so this will be a minus b cos 2h divided by h square minus f of 0. What is f of 0? So if we put here f of, so 0, for 0 this function will consider f of 0 is here, if we put 0 plus 0 plus 2, that means 2. So minus 2 divided by minus h and limit h tends to 0. Now what is a and b? Both are 1. So this will be limit h tends to 0 1 minus this is 1 also, so cos 2h divided by h square minus 2 divided by minus h, right? So this is equals to limit h tends to 0, so 1 minus cos 2h, let us write in this way, 1 minus cos 2h minus 2h square divided by minus h, right? Minus h cube. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0. Now if we put 0, this is 0 by 0 form, so again we use L'Hopital rule. So this will be 0 minus, so this will plus 2 sine 2h minus this is 4h divided by minus 3h square. Minus 3h square. Again this is limit h tends to 0. Again this is 0 by 0 form, so we can use again L'Hopital rule. So this will be 4 cos 2h minus 4 divided by minus 6h. Again put that limit h tends to 0 minus this is 8 sine 2h minus 0 divided by h, right? Minus 6, sorry, minus 6 this will be. So if we put 0, now this will be 0. So L f dash 0 is 0. Now R f dash 0, let us find R f dash 0. So what is R f dash 0? R f dash 0 is limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 divided by h, right? So this will be limit h tends to 0, so f of h, so f of 0 plus h, right? So for h greater than 0, so this will be this function x square plus cx plus 2, so this is h square plus ch plus 2, and f of 0 is minus 2 divided by h. Now this will cancel, equals to limit h tends to 0 h plus ch, this will be, now c is 0 and h tends to 0, so this will also 0. So 0 at point 0, at 0 the function f is differentiable. Now we have to check at the point 1. So What is r f dash 1? R f dash 1 is limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h. So this is equals to, what is 1 plus h for the function 1 plus h, this function 2 into, so limit h tends to 0, 2 into 1 plus h plus 1 minus f of 1. F of 1 means at point 1 this function, so 1 means c plus 3. If we put here we get c plus 3, so this will be c plus 3, and c is 0, so this will be 0 divided by h. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0, 2 plus 2h plus 1 minus 3, so this will get cancelled, divided by h, so this is 2. Now r l f dash 1, right? L f dash 1 means limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h minus f of 1 minus f of 1 divided by minus h. Now limit, this is h tends to 0, f of 1 minus h means which function? This function. So this function, so here c is 0, so 1 minus h whole square plus 2, right? So 1 minus h whole square plus 2 minus f of 1 means this is here, f of 1 means our 0 plus 3, that means 3, so 3 divided by minus h. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0, 1 minus 2h plus h square minus 1 divided by minus h, so this will get cancelled, and limit h tends to 0, this will be minus h plus 2, so this is also 2, so this we get also 2, and this is also 2. So at 1 the function is also differentiable. So 0 point, at 0 point this is differentiable, at 1 point it is differentiable. That means our aim is what? Aim is our 0, and a equals to b equals to 1 we get already, and c is our 0 we already get. So what is the sum of these four so 2, 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1, so this will be 2, right? So our answer will be this fourth number option, 2. 2 will be the answer. So this was the question, and you can easily solve it if you know the definition of differentiability and continuity. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you like this video you can share with your friends, and if you have any doubt you can share, you can comment down below, right? Thank you everyone, bye.